Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this falling effect in UE5.3 Niagara. So let's start this tutorial and you can find this original file on my Patreon as usual. So as you can see, I have already created it, but I will create it again from the scratch so you can learn step by step. But I will put this original output file on my Patreon. So I'll just create a new folder. I'll call this test. And let's say you have a new label and you have little darker light, maybe one. Okay, so first thing what I'll do, I'll just create a cinematic. I'll take a label, I'll open this, and if I go back, I have this animation which I downloaded from Mixamo. So if I open, you can see this is the following animation. So I'll just drag this into the sequencer, and here I'll use the animation, and if I play, this will play.